everyone, it's Victoria and Sheikah here. I'm standing here, I've just been doing feet, now I'm going to do walking on the grass. Now, we hear a lot about this today, grounding. Grounding, so stressed or anxious or depressed or, out of sorts. Get out of the house, take your shoes off. Now, I'm going to walk on the grass. Now, as you know, the earth has elements purify us. So when we're walking on the grass, on the dirt, the elements come up from the earth and feed us because we are part of the earth. And I'm going to walk down here now. Notice my posture because posture is very important. I must say also, now I'm walking on pebbles, and when you're walking on pebbles this really toughens the feet, and we're in shoes all of the time but we're not massaging the feet because I can notice these pebbles, they're actually massaging my feet, which is going to affect my whole body. So I'm going to come down here. Onto the sand. I'm one with nature. Come on, Sheikah, darling. Poor Sheikah's got to take her shoes off. What I do, Sheikah has to do. So I'm just walking on the sand, taking in, my feet are taking in the elements. Now, I'm going to go over here. Now I'm putting my feet in the water. How wonderful is that? I can feel the difference in my body because everything starts at the bottom and works its way up through your whole body. I'm just loving this. I encourage you to get out into the elements. Namaste. Happy elements.